I have a little problem. Do you also use small cups to mix paint? These come from oxygen tanks. How do you clean them? I use this glass container, but it cracked once. The cleaning solutions consisted of water, laundry detergent, and one dishwashing tablet. But I have come up with a new method. I want to use this bottle. It's plastic and the bottle opening is quite large. I will repeat the cleaning solutions procedure. Yeah. That's all. You just need to rinse these small cups under water. But next time I will probably wrap the bottle in foam. Don't show this video to your wife.